Now that we've identified the opportunities and built the solutions, it's time to get to the real-world application. Stage 3 is where the rubber meets the road. It's all about deploying your data solutions effectively. This stage bridges the gap between theory and practice, ensuring that everything we've built so far translates into tangible, measurable outcomes. Let me start with an analogy. Imagine you've built a state-of-the-art car, sleek, powerful, and efficient. But unless you know how to drive it and where to take it, it's just a machine sitting idle. Deployment is what turns that car into a vehicle for change. It's about putting your solutions into action, ensuring they are understood, integrated, and continuously refined. The first step here is critical: understanding the rationale behind the model. Think of this as building trust in the engine you've just constructed. Engineers, operations teams, and stakeholders need to know how the model works, why it's built the way it is, and what assumptions it's making. This isn't just about technical details. It's about fostering confidence. When people understand the model, they're far more likely to embrace it and use it effectively. Next, it's time to integrate the predictive results into operational processes. This is where the magic happens. Your insights are no longer just reports or dashboards. They become tools that drive day-to-day decisions. Let's go back to our mining case study for a moment. Their predictive models weren't just theoretical. They informed feed schedules, optimized production planning, and enhanced yield predictions. Integration means embedding data science into workflows so seamlessly that it feels like second nature to the teams using it. But we're not done yet, because as good as your model might be, real-world conditions will always bring surprises. That's where the final piece comes in: facilitating continuous feedback and model refinement. Think of it as tuning your engine over time. Operational teams provide feedback, highlight any unexpected challenges, and share real-world observations. This allows you to refine your models, making them more accurate and reliable. It's a cycle of learning and improvement that ensures your data solutions stay relevant in a constantly changing environment. Let's put this into perspective with an example. Imagine a retail company using a model to forecast demand. In the deployment stage, they educate their supply chain teams about the model's rationale, how it predicts seasonal spikes or sudden dips. Then they integrate its results into inventory management processes, ensuring stock levels align with predicted demand. Finally, as the team collects real-world data, unexpected trends, shifts in consumer behavior, they feed that back into the model, refining its predictions over time. The result, a system that not only works, but gets smarter every day. This stage is what separates successful organizations from the rest, because deploying solutions isn't just about implementation, it's about making sure they stick, evolve, and deliver results long after launch. It's about bridging the gap between what your model predicts and what actually happens in the field. So, as we move into stage 4, think about this. Deployment is where innovation meets reality. It's where insights become impact. And it's where the journey doesn't end but begins again, with every feedback loop pushing you toward even greater success. Let's move on to embedding these solutions for lasting change.